Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by defining the metrics you care about and why they matter. Once done, connect one data source and confirm API or database credentials so data flows. This avoids surprises later. Then pick an AI model aligned to the metric type, NLP for text, forecasting for time series, and run a quick validation on a sample dataset. Make sure to log schema changes and set a baseline performance so you can measure improvement. Next, you clean and transform incoming records, normalizing fields and adding features that the model needs. This reduces noisy predictions. Once trained, validate on a holdout set and iterate until key metrics meet thresholds, then deploy a lightweight inference endpoint. After deployment, integrate the endpoint with your dashboard backend via REST or streaming so widgets request predictions in real time. Also instrument logging and latency. To finish, design the dashboard UI for clarity and actionability, placing the most important charts at the top and using clear labels. Then deploy using CI/CD with canary releases and an easy rollback path. Once live, monitor model inputs and output distributions. If performance drops, check for data drift or changed input shapes and retrain or adjust preprocessing. If something breaks, first validate the data pipeline, then confirm model endpoint responses before updating visuals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.